Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my potato salad with you. So come on, cook with Tita and let's go through our ingredients. We have potatoes. I would like to remind you once again that I'm cooking for a whole battalion. You can listen the amount of your potatoes, okay? And I have red onion right here. This is large onion. 5 boiled eggs right here. I have some celery sticks, that is. Now I like the crunch and the flavor of my celery with my potato salad, so I would put 4, but that's up to you if you just want 2 or 3 or so on and so forth or more. That's up to you. We're gonna use dill. It gives it really very nice flavor. Sweet relish, mustard for creaminess. We're gonna put mayonnaise, black pepper. This is a whole pepper. You can put as much as you want in there, or if you have ground black pepper, that would be also good. And then we're going to chop some cilantro. This is just, for me, this is just a garnish. But if you don't have it on hand, don't worry about it. Okay, so anywho, let's prepare our ingredients. I soak my potato first, right? And brush, really, being sure that there's no dirt or wound on the potato. If you know me, I don't peel my golden potato, but if I'm using a russet potato, I would peel it because it tends to have tougher skin. I just split my potato like so, okay, like this. Now, when you cut your potato, be sure that when you cook your potato, not gonna get overcooked, because we're not cooking mashed potato. We're cooking potato salad, right? So, be diligent to cut them, bite size like so, okay? Be sure that you're cutting them evenly, okay? Because when you cook them, you don't want them to be some overcooked and some not. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so we're done with our potatoes. We're gonna put them aside, okay? And also, this is how I cut my onion, really fine dice, okay? Like that. So we're gonna put that away. And my celery, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. I just kind of cut him up like that, like so, and I just fine like that, okay? And be careful with your hand. We don't want any human flesh in there. Okay, and that's it. This is the 4 sticks of celery, about a cup after you fine dice it, and we're gonna put it in here, okay? I already put water on the stove boiling, so let's put it on there now for 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're gonna go and poke it and check, because as I told you, you don't want it overcooked, okay? So come on, let's do this for 15 minutes with the water already boiling. See, water's already boiling, right? Okay, 15 minutes. We're gonna cover it up on high for 15 minutes. Okay, let's come back in 15 minutes and then we'll check it. Okay, our 15 minutes is up. I would say this is perfect, al dente. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cover it up We're gonna leave it here for 5 minutes. Just shut the heat and leave it here for 5 minutes, and then we will transfer it into big bowl, okay, where we're gonna stir everything and let it cool off. You have to let it cool off, okay, before you put all your ingredients in it. All right, guys, our potato is completely cool off, so we're going to put everything in there now. Okay, so let's start with 1 cup of our celery, 1 onion, mayonnaise, that's half a cup. Okay, we can always add some more. We're going to put about 5 tablespoons for now, half a teaspoon, okay, dry dill. All right, so yeah, just that. 4 tablespoons of mustard, roughly, but if you want more, you can put more. Okay, our eggs. Okay, now the reason why I'm putting everything in at once, because you know we don't wanna over stir our ingredients. Okay, so we're going to chop our eggs like so, you know, like that, big dice. I just roughly going like this, right, like that. Okay, and then just, you know, like so. Okay, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, 1 teaspoon, and then you can always add, looking at this, you might need to put 2 teaspoon. Okay, 2 teaspoon, but let's do 1 teaspoon for right now. Okay, you know, it's black pepper or ground pepper and salt to taste. Really, it's up to you how much mayonnaise, how much mustard and sweet relish. You know, if you want more sweet relish in there, you can do so, but go ahead, let's go ahead and mix this. Okay, so it's getting coated like that. Now remember when I told you that don't overcook your potato, because you know this is not mashed potato, this is potato salad. Now if you remember, I told you to cook it for 15 minutes al dente, and then go ahead and shut off your heat after 15 minutes and leave it there for 5 minutes, right? Remember that. The reason being for that, guys, is when you cook your potato al dente and leave it there for 5 minutes, it's still cooking. Otherwise, it's gonna be overcooked. That's what I'm trying to say. This looks good to me, guys, but let's taste. Okay, put a little cilantro on the top or not. Okay, like I told you, this is from my I have this on hand. This is from my garden, so if you have it, that's fine. If not, it's fine too. This is just a garnish. Okay, this is how it looks. Very easy and delicious dish, good for party or gathering or picnic or things like that. Really, really good, guys. I hope you enjoy my recipe, guys. Easy, delicious. I'll see you again when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. And as I always say, bon appetit. Bye.